all the impact statement when you get ready to serve dinner. And let's face it, there are certain dinners that are more important than others.
That's right.
Okay, we've got Thanksgiving, Christmas, Hanukkah is coming up, a lot of fall birthdays as well. But there's also something nice about Wednesday becoming an event. You know,
from everyday to holiday?
I like that. We just turned the clocks back. By the way, is anyone a fan of that? No. Okay? So now we're all eating dinner when it's dark. And by 7 o'clock at night, you're going,
yeah, it's depressing.
What is it, midnight?
I know.
No, 7. This is actually one of my favorite pieces.
Thank you.
Because it's so versatile. This is her seasonal basket weave. It's her centerpiece bowl. The important factor here, I know people buy this for display.
Sure.
Use it. Abuse it.
Yes.
Take advantage of it. It is one of the most versatile pieces, and it's priced at under 40 bucks.
I love this. So I have to brag on the basket weave for a little bit. If you're new to this, because it's been a fairly new collection for us, but wildly popular. It's completely embossed. What does that mean? It means the texture is raised 360 degrees all the way around this beautiful centerpiece. We call it a centerpiece bowl, but it's so much more. This is our poinsettia. Look how you can see the layer upon layer. So first in the workmanship and the detail, you have that basket weave that's laid down. Then you have that stained and that beautiful tea stain. Then on top of that, another layer of that beautiful poinsettia detail, all individually hand painted, the red, the green, alternating between the two.
Didn't make it easy on yourself, did you?
No, absolutely not. The beading here that runs all the way around. And then on the inside, you have that gorgeous reverse. You have the helper handles here on the side. It's roughly about a 2-quart capacity. So if you're thinking about that, that 2 is engraved. When I tell you, this piece is so stunning, it doesn't do it justice. We did it in our 2 holiday patterns, our poinsettia, and Dan's holding our what we call our winter. And in these pieces, we did the darker blue with the lighter blue to kind of show you that beautiful contrast. So they'll mix and match with the traditional winter that you've been collecting. And then I'm going to reach down in front. You can stay right there and bring up our pumpkin patch, because I have to say, whenever we offer pumpkin patch, it's wildly popular. So I love the way this translates in our basket weave, where everything is sculptural, everything has that gorgeous detail. And can we brag about even the way the pumpkins are painted? All of the striations, all of those beautiful brush strokes, not just a blob of orange, but really, truly bringing it to life.
And again, even if it were just a display piece, which it is much, much more than that autumnal piece is a great way to go, and I'll tell you why. When we decorate for Christmas, we decorate roughly for 30 days.
Yes.
Thanksgiving to New Year's.
Yeah.
With this can go out late August and be there up through Thanksgiving.
Love that. Great point.
So the only other place that pieces similar to this even exist are in artisan studios.
Yes.
They're one-off, and you pay a fortune for them. $37.74.
It's incredible.
Is ridiculously
affordable,
reasonable. Yeah.
Yes.
So
yes, it is.
Keep in mind that these are usable. You can put them in the freezer, put them in the refrigerator. They will go in the dishwasher. You can bake in these. They go in the microwave. And
and that ends that story. The end. Here's what I love. You were saying earlier, though, that this is perfect for maybe just the 2 of you. And I know that many of you are always asking for smaller style pieces.
Yeah.
So I love the fact that this is your spinach and artichoke dip, if you want it to be. It's your ziti for maybe just the 2 of you. It's all of those little appetizers that you want to do around the holidays, but look what doesn't happen. You don't have to worry about it sticking. And I love that. So you saw us with the KitchenAid hand mixer before, mixing it up. But look at how nothing sticks to the side, and you're not spraying it with butters or oils or any extra added fats. Float some candles in here, put some flowers in here, then it becomes the centerpiece that you know is also the baker as well.
I have
love
this amazing recipe for a spinach and artichoke dip. Can I tell you what I do?
Please.
First of all, what I do is I start by leaving out the spinach and the artichoke.
Okay, so you bring it to room temperature?
Yeah. No, I just leave it out.
You leave it out. I'm actually
and
following along,
I
thinking
go
you're being
almost
serious.
purely with cheese and beef byproduct.
You're adorable. You know what I love here? You do this too, I think, is we don't have any bread baskets in our entire collection right now.
That's
You
pretty.
can use this where we bake the bread right inside here, turn it out, slice it, and now serve the bread in here. So this has now become a centerpiece. It's now your bread basket. It's your 2-quart baker. It's a great gift if maybe you're picking up some of those great treats that, of course, we offer here at QVC.
Oh my gosh,
Wrap
that's
that up
gorgeous.
and gift that. This is something that they'll use time and time again. We need to brag on.
Yeah,
take
I've
your flameless candle. You can swap this out seasonally, which is so fun. We actually tucked some gourds in there, some of our leaves. That pumpkin patch is one of a kind. We only do it this time of year, Dan. Once it's gone, and we will not bring it back, if we do, until this time next year.
You're getting the very first opportunity to see it for this year. They are brand new today.
Yes.
I'm telling you, when you chill these,
fabulous.
They hold cold better than any other pieces that I know that we've got in our kitchen. And you'll use them, but they're stunningly beautiful.
Look how fun this is. This is what I love about our pet stylists, right? Because at the end of the day, this is what Temp-tations is all about. Having fun in your kitchen, having fun with your family, decorating, chilling this. What is this, David?
David. What is this?
A parsnip.
That's a parsnip.
So that's
there you have it.
And then look, we have our pineapple here. We did some of our skewers. So again, you can have fun with dessert and serve it in your centerpiece bowl. I'm like, I don't know, what is that?
David, I bow to you.
Hats off. I love, again, leaving it out on your countertop.
Parsnip art is so underrated.
It's hip these days.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
This was my mom's idea. She does this all the time, where she'll leave the garlic and the onions, instead of putting it out in a bowl, you have that gorgeous silhouette. Think about putting some water in here, floating some candles, making a gorgeous centerpiece. I'm telling you, one of a kind.
Feels good. Now, that pumpkin patch is by far the most popular choice. I'm not either.
It's so beautiful.
But don't forget the green or that blue. I want to show them one of the items that we may not get to.
Okay.
It's a gorgeous wire basket, and it's a perfect accessory. This is the removable ceramic trivet on the bottom, and it's part of Temp-tations.